golden age of magic.
Hello everybody, I'm Stephen Williams Jr. We are about 20-25 minutes into the show, so I thought I'd give you a behind the scenes look of what we do at this point. Now, behind the camera is Jordan. Say hi, Jordan.
Hello everybody.
And my hands are incredibly sticky at this point, so follow me in. This is the men's dressing room. I'll very quickly wash my hands. So here's what's happening at this point. A video is playing which introduces the next trick. Now, while that's happening, we have about a minute and a half. I quickly wash my hands, then we're going to go down under the stage where I'll be raised up to start the next trick. So, this is the look. Try not to trip on anything here, Jordan. There are 9 people who work on the show. Jordan's one of them. He's one of the 4 assistants. We have 3 AVs, and we've got the production manager, the lighting man, plus me. I make a 10 in all. Now, it's kind of a crew area. We have to go voice down here. I'm going to be going inside, and the bottom of the stage is now completely open, so I won't be able to talk.
Soaring through the ladies became a sensation, and Horace Golden immediately followed suit by improving the effect, so that we could see both Anthony's hands and feet throughout the performance. Soaring became
quiet.
the most
So this is
popular
Marius.
of all
Marius
time,
is going to press go
with
and raise him
producers
out of the
all over
stage
the world
in just a
working
second.
continually to make better and more receptive methods. During the time for iMagic, I expressed to a